welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life. Today I'm going to share with you my rolling Project 10 pan update. So if you haven't seen my intro video, I will leave it up in the cards above. But this is a project pan that I continually rotate in new products to try and use up or hit certain goals on for the year. I have been doing these for a long time. I can put my playlist up above of previous project pans I've done, but I have some good progress to share with you guys and a great update for you guys. So let's get into it. So like I said, the intro video will be linked up above. The first thing that I don't have here was my empties video I just posted, so I'll link that. Up here is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Cloud. That thing was fully used up. You can check out that empties just to kind of get your receipts on that one. But used that up fully. Wasn't able to scrape any more out. Today I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten right now for my eyes. And that is out of this project. The other thing that I have used up is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It looks like this, and this is just not long lasting for my eyes. I'm just done using it. It is not as black as it once was, isn't lasting, smudges very easily on my eyes, so I am decluttering this and getting rid of that. Calling it empty though. So let's move in to the products that were in the previous video and line them, see where I'm at. First thing here, I am gonna pull out the Mario Badescu. This is the Glycolic Foaming Cleanser, and I have had this in my shower, have really enjoyed it. I am definitely a lot further in the use of this product. I have been using this as my face cleanser for my shower time. Don't think I'm gonna repurchase it. It has been making my skin look good, but isn't a favorite, kind of okay cleanser for me. So that is currently where I'm at. Started off at the intro right here and now down to there. Should be able to use this up before I update you guys next time. Next thing here is, I'm still using my Maybelline The Falsies waterproof mascara. It is what's on my eyes now. It is getting a little bit drier and harder to use, but I am still using it and gonna continue to roll it on through for this next month. So working on that. I thought I would have been able to use this little guy up, but I haven't. This is the Stila Single Eyeshadow in Kitten. And as you can see, I do still have a little bit of that eyeshadow left. I sometimes top my liquid eyeshadow with this or just apply this all over. Also can use it as a highlight today, but it is still hanging strong. I have repurchased it and I have a brand new one that is like in bubble wrap in my drawer right now. I think I shared with you guys like my everyday makeup drawer. I can link that above that video for like my everyday makeup. How I store it will be up above. So still working on that for this next month. Also threw in here, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. And I wanted to hit pan on one of the other shades and continue to use this shade. This like little peach matte shade I use as the crease on an everyday basis for my eyes. Sometimes I'll use this as a outer rim topper or put this in the outer corner, but really every day my eyes are looking like this and I use this in the crease lately. So still working on this. Hopefully I'll be able to hit pan though on this like a gold shimmer shade for next month. Next thing here, honestly, I forgot all about. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautifying Face Palette, and I wanted to work on these blushes and highlights. Now, I haven't really been gravitating towards this. It's been in a drawer and I forgot about it. I've been using the Tarte Maracuja Dazzled or Dazzling blush. That's what I have on now. Or I use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense blush, but I haven't been reaching for this. So I need to be more mindful and use this a little bit more this upcoming month. The next thing too, I really didn't reach for or even try, bad me, but this is the Derma E Microabrasion Scrub. It has citrus oil blend, dead sea salt, and jojoba oil. So I need to use this. I don't know why, I just didn't gravitate towards it. I think it's because it's an extra step. It says apply to clean wet skin and gently scrub in circular motions. I know it's something that I need to use. I know it's something that my husband also could really enjoy using. Woo! I've used it 1 or 2 times. I don't think I've really used it though since the intro. So I need to focus and be more mindful of that and not just be lazy at nighttime and pass out like I normally am doing. The next thing here is my lipstick I've been using. This is the Milani Secret lipstick. There's the little line right there. I don't know how well you can see it. So let me make it a little bit darker. And let's see where we're at. I do have this on my lips today, just kind of a neutral pink nude. So that is how much lipstick I have left. That is where I'm at. So you can see my new line right where it's at and that. So good progress. Not as much as I thought I was gonna have. I do still like using my L'Oreal liquid lipsticks, but in the mornings I tend to reach for this as my first lip product of the day. The next thing here is a highlighter. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in Pillow Talk. No, I am pretty much still at that same line, so I need to gravitate and use this. I feel like I did the video and then I put the product somewhere and then I forgot about them. So this needs to be front of mind this upcoming time. And since I used up 2 products from the intro, I have 2 new products to throw in. This is a vitamin C hydrating eye recovery gel from Image Skincare. I've been using it every day and I feel like it's getting close to empty, so I want to throw it in here to be more mindful, to try and use it up and not use all of my other eye creams that I have going on. Love getting eye gels and eye creams, but need to use them up. So I don't have a way to kind of mark where I am for this because it's one of those like air tubes, but this will be in the project. Hopefully I can use that up next time. Then since I used up the liquid eyeshadow, the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in Intense Moonlight. And love the shade and the color of this. I have used up these in the past. I feel like it took me a lot longer than I thought. I'll show you guys a swatch of it. It's a really pretty like copper color. And this is also great to just top all over your eyes and then put like a crease shade in and you're good for the day. So that is everything for my Rolling Project 10 pan update. Let me know if there's a product you think I will use up next in the comments down below. What products you have been using up recently and your favorites. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. You dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.